This is the, it's actually called the Locke. Hulford and Locke are the same. This one's a smaller version of the one that we're sort of interested in, but they don't have the one that we're interested in, like, show home. So you walk in, it's so spacious. This camera makes it look really small, but it's really not. And the ceilings are really tall as well. This is the bathroom. So the lady, I believe, said everything is, the layout and everything is very similar, except it's bigger in the one that we're interested in. So you've got, I mean, this is just iconic. I love it. And so we saw these ones online, and we thought that the living room looked really small, but it's really not. The ones that we like have a bay window there, like the one in the other place that we've just seen, which Christmas tree would go, and it's so nice. And this is where another difference is. So the kitchens are bigger and has a bit that comes out there and has like more of a snug area, so you can have like a sofa and TV at the end. So this is how it looks. The gardens, she said, differ from plot to plot. Let me take you upstairs. I like that it's got a light again. The stairs are like really wide. And the bedrooms are bigger in the one that we're interested in, but even still, this is bigger than my art room. This would be the art room. So cute. Lots of David Bowie, which we like. As I said, the bedrooms would be bigger in the one that we're interested in. But even still, like, you still fit really good bed. It's got like the wardrobes already built in. This would be Sophie's room. Again, slightly bigger in the other ones, but it's still really nice. Cute. The bathroom. And this is a king size bed, she said. Ensuite, TV would go there. Really big wardrobe. It's really nice.